Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I'm teaching how to customize Cargo Collective websites with Scott, and in this video I'll show you how you can fix a little issue that happens when you are using a wallpaper slider. We have little controls here which helps to navigate through the slides. And that works perfectly well, but what should happen if I'm going to press left or right keyboard arrows? And unexpectedly I'm going to end up at about page, a project page or contact page, or actually in any single page on the website. I think this behavior is pretty confusing, and what we really expect when we click left and right arrows on the keyboard is actually navigating through the slides. But this customization would be a little bit more complex and depend on Cargo functionality a lot. So what I did is basically created a script that blocks any left and right moves. At least we won't end up in the situation where we reveal every single page of the project. Of course, password protected pages won't be revealed or hidden pages, but it's still a little bit weird, I think, and I don't really like this feature. And let's go to Cargo and I'll show you how you can fix it. Here is the website, and this is a home page, but those are pages which you saw when I was navigating with keyboard arrows. And yeah, basically all the pages which you have here will be accessible when you are just moving left and right using your keyboard. Before we begin, let me show you how I created the backdrop. So you need to click this thing and select a backdrop wallpaper. Then you can actually, well, it doesn't really matter. For this modification, I'm just using vanilla JavaScript, and we're going to block every single key event which is actually anyhow connected with arrows. So it's going to be left, right, and up and bottom arrows. But if you're just interested in how I made this particular website, so here are the settings. But once again, it's not important at all. And next step is go to the code pen. You will find the link below and copy the script from there. Here is the code pen, and you need to copy everything starting from line number 6. So that's going to be everything except for the top gray comment. Now let's go back to Cargo, open site settings, and open CSS HTML editor. Here you need to move to HTML tab and copy, paste everything you just copied. Then you need to update the website and publish it. We can go to the live version, refresh the page, and see if that works. Now I press left and right arrow and nothing happens. That means that modification is ready. And let me know in the comments if you like the video or what other tutorials you want me to record. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to record a complete Cargo Collective crash course in the nearest future, and stay tuned.